Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the control statement like if else and if else if statement. Conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Conditional statements very often when you write code, you want to perform different actions for different decisions. You can use conditional statements in your code to do this. In PHP, we have the following conditional statements like if statement, if else statement, if else statement, and switch statement. First, if statement. Use this statement to execute some code only if a specified condition is true. If else statement. Use this statement to execute some code if a condition is true and another code if the condition is false. Then if else statement. Use this statement to select one of several blocks of code to be executed. Then switch statement. Use this statement to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. The if statement. Use the if statement to execute some code only if a specified condition is true. This is the syntax of if statement. If condition, then code to be executed if the condition is true. Here notice that there is no else statement in this syntax. Let's see the example. Here this is the example for if statement. Here test string is assigned to variable d. If $d is equal to test, then this statement will be executed. Let's see the output. So here this is our output of if statement. Now if else statement. Use the if else statement to execute some code if a condition is true and another code if a condition is false. This is the syntax for if else statement. If condition is true, then first code to be executed, and if condition is false, then else code will be executed. Let's see the example for if else statement. Here this is the example for if else statement. Here if contains condition. If $d is equal to test, then this block will be executed. Otherwise else block will be executed. Let's see the output. So this is the output of our script. Now let's see the if else statement. Use this statement to select one of several blocks of code to be executed. This is the syntax. If condition is true, then this statement will be executed. Then else if statement also contains condition. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. If all conditions will be false, then this else statement will be executed. So here we have used date function. We will discuss about it in our later tutorial. If day is Friday, then this block will be executed. If day is Sunday, then this block will be executed. Otherwise else block will be executed. Let's see the output. So here else block is executed.